Here you go, sir. You have a great day. Helping another sneakerhead. Oh man, I love this job. Oh, the phone's ringing. Hello, this is Foot Locker. How can I help you? Do y'all have any Michael Jordan sneakers? Yes, we have Jordans. Great, y'all have Gratitude 11s? Yeah, bro, we have a full size run. It's a great time to be a sneakerhead right now. What size do you need? Oh, do y'all have UNC toe ones? Yeah, bro, we have every size. It's a great time to be a sneakerhead. A lot of things are sitting. What size do you need? Wait, oh, really? Oh, do y'all have the Midnight Navy Retro 3s? Yes, bro, we have every Jordan Retro for the past 3 months sitting in every single size. Like I said, bro, it's a great time to be a sneakerhead. What size are you looking for? What size you need, bro? Man, I don't want your bricks, bro. I do not want your bricks. Dude's trying to sell me a bunch of bricks. Who does this guy think he is? He hung up on me? Fake-ass sneakerheads. I have a question for you. Are you copying the reimagined Bred Air Jordan 4 that releases February 17th? Retail will be $215. If you guys are copying a pair, please comment a bunch of fire emojis down below in the comments. If you guys plan on passing on this release for whatever reason, please comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who's going to cop the reimagined Bred Air Jordan 4 and who's not. I am giving away a pair when they do officially release. I'll be giving away a pair, but I'm also giving away an early pair as well. To enter this giveaway, all you guys need to do is smash that like button. Make sure you guys leave a comment. Let me know what size you need. They will fit true to size. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Hit that subscribe button right now. Join the Moore family. Comment down below your size, and then take a picture, take a screenshot, DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed here to my YouTube channel. Good luck on a free pair of reimagined Bred Air Jordan 4s. This giveaway does end at the end of January. The giveaway winner will be announced here on YouTube in February. So make sure you guys come back to the YouTube channel here and find out who wins a free pair of reimagined Bred 4s. And don't worry, if you do not win or you miss out on this first giveaway, I will be giving away a few pairs. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Good luck on a free pair of reimagined Bred Air Jordan 4s. You will regret not buying this sneaker when they release. Trust me, buy these up. You're going to want to buy this pair of Air Jordans. I think this is a great pair. They did a great job. There is a huge twist on this pair of sneakers, but I think Jordan Brand killed it. They knocked it out of the park. I'm very excited to get these in hand. Make sure you guys like this video. Let's get this video up to 200 likes. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. Join the Moore family. Now let's get into this straight fire video. This is the most affordable sneaker bag on the market. It's made by Crease Guards. Their premium duffel holds up to 4 pairs of sneakers. These dividers, they come out, move around. You guys can put your clothes, laptop, chargers, sneakers, everything with you when you're traveling. With your purchase as well, you also get an extra bag that holds as well an extra pair of sneakers. You can put anything you want in this bag and bring it with you as well when you're traveling. Make sure you guys check out Crease Guards for the best sneaker bag on earth. It's the most affordable bag, much cheaper than the competitors, and you guys can use my code Danny40 to receive 40% off. That's almost half off your order, and with your order, you're also going to receive a warranty with your bag as well. The extra bag comes with your purchase, no extra purchase necessary, as well as their Crease Guards. Crease Guards has crease protectors. Their Crease Guards are great. I'm going to do a full video on these. Make sure you guys cop. Click the link down below in the description. Check out Crease Guards and use my promo code Danny40 for 40% off. The best sneaker bags, the most affordable sneaker bags on the market. Great quality, and they're very, very, very affordable. Make sure you guys check them out. Thank you, Crease Guards, for sponsoring today's video. If you enjoy the skits here on the channel, please let me know down below in the comments. Let me know, Danny, do more skits, or Danny, please stop the skits, stop the nonsense. Let me know if you guys want me to do skits or not down below in the comments. If you guys can get this video up to 250 likes, that'll let me know to do more skits, and I will do more skits. So let me know down below in the comments. With that being said, let's talk about today's pair of sneakers that I'm telling you guys you're going to want to buy. You're going to want to buy these so you do not regret it. Listen, if you don't have the last retro, you have a chance of getting an OG with a twist to it reimagined, of course, but you have a chance of getting an OG now, which for some people might be their first time ever owning this sneaker. This right here is the reimagined Bred 4s. Of course, that I am giving away a pair to enter this giveaway. Like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know your size, and then DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed. I am giving away a pair of reimagined Bred 4s. The giveaway winner will be announced here on YouTube the beginning of February, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in on a free pair. Now, the reimagined Bred 4s will release on February 17th. Retail $215. Early pairs, man, are expensive. Early pairs right now are like $350 plus. They're expensive, but if you guys can get this video up to 300 likes, that's a lot. If you guys can hit 300 likes, I will spend the early crazy resell money and get an early pair of the reimagined Bred 4s. This right here is the 2019 pair. That is straight fire. This is how the originals come with the nubuck. The nubuck black upper. The reimagined Bred 4s are getting a tumbled leather upper. And that's why I think it's a good pair of Jordan 4 Breds. I think they did a good job on it. I don't think it's the reimagined that we all wanted, anticipated, and hoped for at the end of the day. But I don't think it's as bad as the reimagined Royals with the suede, right? So I do think they did enough to do a reimagined, call it a reimagined. Definitely with the material switch up, I'm interested to see how they are in hand. Now, when it comes to resale, I do think we will have some resale on the reimagined Bred 4s because it is a Jordan 4 in the Bred colorway. A lot of people don't have the Bred 4s or just don't want to go spend $500 on this 2019 pair. So, I do expect there to have some resale. Nothing too crazy, but some resale on the reimagined Bred 4s. There's going to be a lot of pairs. Stock numbers are going to be extremely high. A lot of stock. I want you guys to leave a comment down below right now in the comments and let me know fire emojis if you guys are going to go cop and trash emojis if you guys are passing on this release. I need to see who's going to cop and who's not. Me personally, I'm going to cop them. I'm not sure if I'm going to wind up keeping them for a personal when I still have my 2019 pair. And as you guys can see, my 2019 is still dead stock. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep and wear the 2024 reimagined Bred 4s, but we'll see when the time comes. We'll see. I'm not sure yet. But yes, I think they are a good shoe, and I think you guys are going to regret not buying them if you decide not to, because it's a Bred 4 still at the end of the day. We don't know when the next time we're going to receive a Bred 4. We really do not. And, you know, with this whole reimagined treatment, who knows what material they'll give us the next time they give us the Bred 4. So with that being said, if you guys do want the OG classic with the nubuck, my recommendation is go back and get it from 2019. You still have some time. They're still wearable, especially if you get a worn pair, a lightly worn pair. You'll get them for less money. You'll spend less and still get really good use out of them compared to having a brand new pair that might crumble. Who knows? I don't think this 2019 pair is going to crumble yet, but in a few years, if I don't wear them, yes. So I highly recommend if you guys just want the nubuck, the OG, the way it is, I recommend just go ahead and picking up a 2019 pair. And because we don't know, we really don't know when the next time we're going to get this material on the Bred 4. We're getting leather. They're completely switching it up. This whole reimagined treatment has been nothing but switch up of materials for the most part, except for the Chicagos, but they did still age it, right? And even the reimagined 3s, they still age the midsole. So the materials have been switched up a lot of the, you know, reimagined series, including the patent Breds. So I do expect the reimagined Bred 4s to sell out, and I do expect them to have some resale value, which is going to be shocking in 2024 because I don't expect a lot of sneakers, a lot of Jordans especially, to have resale here in 2024. But I do think the Bred reimagines will. A little bit of resale, and the military blues, definitely. If you guys want me to get the military blues early, I got to see 200 likes on this video. So please make sure you guys like this video if you want the reimagined Breds and the military blues early. Let me know down below in the comments which one is a better sneaker? Which one is a must cop for you? For me personally, Military Blues I'm more excited for, I think, than the Bred Reimagines. Just being honest, let me know what you guys think about the Bred Reimagined Jordan 4. This is not it. Once again, this is the 2019 pair, but I will go ahead and cop the early pair if you guys want me to. They are expensive, but early pairs are starting to roll out there, and if you guys want, I'll get it done. Hit that like button so you guys can be the first to know. Make sure you guys subscribe, and make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you never miss out on a video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys leave a comment. Let me know, Reimagined Bred 4's cop or drop. Let me know down below in the comments. Make sure you guys check out Crease Guards for that fire sneaker bag, and make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in on a free pair of Reimagined Bred Air Jordan 4s. You guys do not want to miss out on this free sneaker giveaway. The giveaway ends at the end of January. Beginning of February, the giveaway winner will be announced here on YouTube. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in on a free pair. Thank you guys so much for over 70,000 subscribers now. We're trying to hit 100,000 this year. Let's do it. 2024, gotta hit 100K. So please make sure you guys subscribe. If you watch my content and you have not subscribed, please hit that red button, hit that subscribe button down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.